Hello. So today I'm back with a simple invention. Is it an invention really? Nothing is new under the sun. So this is my feedlot. It's a simple one. Constructed using readily available materials. So I feed goats here. It's called a pre-fill. Feed them here a bit. They're still around the shelter before I take them out. Now for the main fill. Go and browse, feed outside. Does it help? Of course it does. See, the goats remain satisfied. So that means my growth rate will be good. You can see even right now, I've just released them to come and eat. You can see the stomachs are quite good. I want to maintain that. You see, the growth rate will be high and the production rate too. You can take the idea and see what I've done. It's a structure where I hang the shrubs. The goodness about this is that there is minimal wastage compared to just cutting and throwing it at them on the ground. That's what I used to do at first, but I found out that there was a lot of wastage, so I opted for this. I wanted to construct a better one, but I found it expensive, so decided to do this. That's the top part. Some how do we call them, sticks arranged. I get to just put in the shrubs. It's a good idea. I find even the goats are not quite aggressive when I release them because they're satisfied. That hunger that they do have when they are released to go out is not there. And if it is, it's a little compared to earlier because they have already taken in something. Yeah, you can try it out. See for yourself how it goes. But as for me, it's good with me. After this, they'll just rest because they'll be full already. The rest, they just wait for me to come and release them. Even the noise that they do produce before I release them. No goats, when they are hungry, they'll notify you that they do want to go out and eat. So that sound that they do make, I don't even hear it these days because of this. Keep watching, guys.